Oh, is the mic plugged in? Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, so we're gonna have, so 64, 65. So this is gonna be 65 here. This one is 64. All right, so let's start with this on 65. And if you guys did your vocabulary notebook, remember the little vocabulary book I gave you with all the pictures and stuff? Supposed to add stuff to? Okay. So, central angle is an angle. Yeah. Yeah, that thing. That has the vertex on the center of the circle and endpoints on the circle. It says an angle that has the vertex on the center of the circle and the endpoints on the circle. So B is the center of the circle, A and C are on the circle.
What does the last part say?
This last line, right here on the circle, is that what you're asking for?
And endpoint.
Of the circle and endpoints on the circle. Okay. So, for example, it says circle B has a central angle. So my central angle is going to be angle ABC. And the measure of the angle is 84 degrees. If you have questions, please ask. Yeah. Someone gave you this paper, but only like 3 students got it. Did you finish it? Do you still have it? Okay, that's fine. So this is me going over it now. So, all right. What was your question? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. One more time.
That piece, ABC's angle 84 degrees.
Yes.
So
Yes, this is the central angle, 84 degrees.
when I got taught this, they taught me this big wrong.
Okay, then they taught it wrong. It's wrong. I'm always right. Other people are wrong.
No one's perfect.
Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look here, please. It says the sum of the central angles of a circle must equal. So all the central angles together have to equal what? 360. For example, circle K has a central angle of GKH. GKH, which measures 122 degrees. Together, GKH, HKJ form a straight line, so they are supplementary. So these two are supplementary, right? And equal how many degrees? Nope. What is supplementary? 180, right? So a straight line like our diameter here will give me 180 degrees. Right? Okay, so that's what I'm getting. Combined with angle GKJ, that's the other side right here, the whole thing together makes 360. So this side is 180, the bottom side is 180, and the whole thing is 360. An arc is part of a circle. One type of arc is a semicircle, is half a circle. For example, blank is a semicircle. So up here, what was a semicircle? Give me the name up here.
180.
GKJ. So it would be GKJ is a semicircle. Now, right here, so that's going to be this piece right here, right? Okay, half circle. And so now the notation for this, you draw an arc over the top. So is a semicircle. Half a circle and half a circle is how many degrees? Yep. A minor arc is smaller than a semicircle. Blank is a minor arc. What is a minor arc from up here? You only need 2 for this one. How about just HJ? So the arcs, think of arcs as pizza crust. Okay, arcs are the pizza crust. So this is going to be HJ would be the minor arc. I know it's a minor arc, I'm using 2 letters. Major arcs and semicircles have 3. Major arc is greater than a semicircle. Blank is an example of a major arc. So let's use 3 of these to get a major arc, more than 180.
HJ.
Major. Okay, let's look.
GJ.
GKH.
What about HA? Okay, there's no H.
So GKH. Now what are you saying? Moises?
Huh?
You were saying something.
I think I read wrong.
Okay, so if you notice GKJ is 180, so I need to go more than 180. So I'd go GKH, which would be up here, which would be more than that, right? So that is one example, GK, that's a K, sorry, and H. GKH, there's a major, so that's there to there. As one major. Is there another major here that I could use? How about JKL? So J to K to L. So now let's do it by the arcs. So now let's take a look. So it would be here to here to here. So all the way around. Did I mess up? Dang it, I did. Moises, you messed me up on that one. Yep, I messed up on these. I messed up on the major arcs. Alright, so major arc.
So that
So,
was wrong?
huh?
You were incorrect?
I was incorrect because I did the angle again. I shouldn't do the angle. I just went around the outside. Say what? L, G, H. It looks like it's not more than half. So how about this? So let's go the other way. Let's go G, L, H. You have to do points around the outside for the arcs. So G, L, H. G, L, H. So that's the arc. It's around the outside. And the semicircle wasn't G, H, J. that could be around the outside, it would be GHJ, not GK. So this one right here that I'm gonna fix, I think I just lost my last one. Oh wait, no, box is empty. I went through like 4 boxes of them that week I was gone. What's up, my dude?
I'll just ask you later.
You can ask. Yeah, I know, you're already here, right?
I'm here when interrupting the class and just kind of walking in. Like,
No, it's alright, it's alright. No, I got you here. Let me pause this for this. Alright. Okay, you people. So, now, because Moises was messing around back there, we messed up some of these problems.
How was audio?
Uh-huh.
Patrick, did you press record again?
Yeah, GHJ. So, watch this. So, G to H to J. So, if you color around the outside, you can actually try and see it's just the pizza crust.
I said that.
That's why I was asking, and you wouldn't say anything.
Come on!
Didn't I ask it? You want? Let's back up the video. I asked you to see, and you're like, no, that's wrong.
But let me correct it. You said I was the one who messed you up, but I didn't because I'm the one who did it right.
Because you didn't give me the right answer.
Yes, I did.
Did he give me the right answer?
I stated.
I don't know, let's go back to the video.
I know.
In my defense, Moses did what he wanted to do.
He just does what he wants to do all the time.
This was correct.
I should become a lawyer. Real talk.
Yeah.
My defense.
Okay. Yeah. You can look here. Here's somewhere. All right. So let's take a look. Okay. Now, remember what I said. Arcs are pizza crust. Moises. Shh. Arcs are pizza crust. The degree of an arc formed by the endpoints of its central angle is equal to the degree of the central angle. For example, we said that angle GKJ, so GKK, come on, J is 180 degrees, right?
Yes.
It's a half a circle, right? And the arc that goes along with that has the same endpoints, is going to be arc GHJ is going to be 180 degrees. Okay, now, here's a quick 1-question test. If you fail, you get a 0. If you get it right, you get an A. All right,
I would be.
what is arc AC? Arc AC is what?
Where'd you get art from?
Arc. Arc. Pizza crust. AC is how much?
84.
84. It's exactly the same. If you did not say 84, you got an F.
84. Regardless.
Okay, I'll try it again now.
You do it again.
Okay, let's try this again.
That's what I said.
All right, so a diameter. What is the diameter? Does it go all the way across? And does it go through the center? Okay, good. It says AD and GC are diameters of circle B. Okay, AD, GC. Okay, what is arc CD?
55. 55. Let me repeat that. 55.
Oh, I'm sorry, I can't hear you. I need you to repeat it.
55. 55.
People are saying they can't see it even though it's on their own paper. So, 55 degrees because it's the same as the inside, right? Okay. AF. Now, are these straight?
No.
Say yes.
Yes.
Those are both diameters, aren't they?
90.
Okay, what shape does it make?
X. 180.
And when you get an X, what do you get?
Like congruent sides or something.
Say it.
Congruent sides.
Congruent.
Congruent lines.
Angles,
Okay.
lines,
So tell me what that means then.
they're the same.
What is?
AG and CD.
You said AG and
CD.
CD because this angle right here is
Congruent.
55. It is congruent.
They're
So
vertical
together it's
angles.
90.
Vertical, thank you. That's the word I was looking for. These two are vertical, right?
You shouldn't add.
That's what I was trying for. Okay,
90.
55 here. It's asking for AF.
You're gonna say something?
So from A all the way to F. It's how much?
90.
90.
Where do you get 90 from?
You add 35
Add
first.
35.
There we go. Alright, so let's see if you guys can figure this one out. AC. What is arc AC now? Hmm?
125.
Sebastian, what'd you get?
Emily got 130.
Yes, you.
I just shut it out.
Yeah, it's 125.
125, why?
Because Moses said it.
Just say
Is this straight line right here?
180 minus.
Yep, so it's 180 minus 55 is going to give me 125 right here. Okay, major arc. It has 3 letters. C, G, F. Start at C. Go to G, and then go to F.
Wait, what?
Start at C. Go to G, and then go to F.
$215.
215. Yeah, 215. How'd you get that?
Just add the 90 and the 125.
You mean
Just add 55, 35, and 125.
so add those 3 together, right? Or we could say it's 180 plus 35.
Yeah.
Major arc CDG.
180.
C, D to G.
180.
180.
Looks like 180, right? Okay. Minor arc D to F.
90.
What do you say?
90.
Why do you get 90?
Because you do 180 minus 55 minus.
Yeah. Excellent. That's it. So that's going to be 90 right there. Is that easy?
Yes.
That's super easy, isn't it? So, all these problems match these problems over here on your practice. Okay, I'm going to give you guys the rest of the time to try and get this done. Please like, share, and subscribe.
And we probably have to learn last week.
Yeah,